everyone, I'm here today to review the world's thinnest micro voice recorder. This is an upgraded model from the world's smallest that I've reviewed recently. It promises the same excellent audio quality but with additional features, such as voice activation and time and date stamping. The world's thinnest also has an awe-inspiring battery life, all in a form factor smaller than an average business card. I've got to say that this is one solid recorder. The voice quality is very high and it's easy to use and versatile. I love that they kept the same high quality metal design as the world's smallest as well. I would pick up one of these recorders if you are in need of a high quality long lasting recorder that can fit in the palm of your hand. And here in just a moment, I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the unit does come with here in the box. So here we have the unit itself. Let's take it out and see everything that we got. So first things first, we have our USB charge cable. That's going to be used to charge and download information to a computer or laptop. Next we have our headphones. So that's to be used to do playback directly from the device. And then we have our manual, of course. That's going to be for just basic functionality on the unit. And lastly here, we have the recorder itself. So taking a look at it, you'll notice it does have a very nice sleek design and it is smaller than an average business card. So on the bottom you have your USB ports, and then on top we have our on and off switch as well as our basic function keys. So we do have an LED indicator just telling you that, hey, we have started recording, that type of deal as well. So, and then you have your basic function keys on top. So now here in just a moment, we're going to take it up front and do a quick quality demonstration. Hello everyone, so here we are on our retail storefront. We're going to do a quick audio demonstration on the world's thinnest micro voice recorder. So keep in mind, all the audio that you are going to hear is going to be coming from the recorder itself. So first things first, I'm obviously kick it on. We'll do that little test for you. So what we'll do is we have our on and off switch right here on top. Flick that over. We got our little red LED on top telling us that it has started recording. So we'll place it right there and we'll do our test. This is a quality demonstration on the world's thinnest at 10 feet. This is a quality demonstration for the world's thinnest at 20 feet. And lastly, this is an audio demonstration for the world's thinnest micro voice recorder at 30 feet. Keep in mind, all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device itself. And of course, if you did appreciate the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for future review videos.